This is John of MoparRestorationParts.com. This is day 4 on the Apollo RV, I don't know what you want to call it, rescue. But anyway, we got the motor running from the gas tank yesterday. One of the tanks is totally trashed as far as it doesn't even, like, I had suction on it, the pipe was collapsing, so something on the intake line is just got it real tight. So anyway, let's take a look inside. It was really clean when I first started, but you can see all the collection of parts. I flushed the tanks yesterday, so all the sensors are reading here. I actually got them, of course, reading full. Must be something hanging on it, but that's, you can kind of see that where it's, you know, reading stuff there. Water tank, well, it was reading yesterday. Holy, there it goes, empty. The generator actually moves. I haven't got these working yet, but that's not the focus. So anyway, the focus was the engine. So she's running. There's a new coil. I got the carburetor I got to change out. I ran the new fuel lines all the way to the tank, so that's up and working. So now I just got to get in there way deep inside there and change those radiator hoses, and that's kind of the project for now, and the oil and the transmission change. So that's kind of a cool unit. She deserves to be back on the road. I just wish it was with somebody else's money, but anyway, that's part of the fun. There's a kind of a neat little thing there for an Apollo motorhome. I think all of them came with it. Kind of nifty. Looks like that lens could use some polishing, but looks like it's working. Except for the humidity. I know it's not that kind of humidity here. Alright, this is John with MoparRestorationParts.com. We'll keep you updated on the progress and as we get things fixed. I'll catch you later.